Mother Nature dropped a surprise snowstorm on me yesterday.
That means I get to ride my front yard jump one last time this year. I haven't ridden in a while, so I want to see how many tricks I can land this afternoon. I'm also going to try and take a few photos myself. Stick around if you'd like to see how I do that. About a month ago, all the snow melted and I thought winter was over.
This is what this jump looked like last week. And this is what it looks like now. Welcome to February 2024.
And just when I thought the season was over, I was hit with a surprise. Winter storm warning in effect. 20 to 25 centimeters are expected.
Well, it looks like winter decided to make a comeback this morning with up to 5 inches of snow falling in places and with more on the way. However, it won't last too long though. Sunday we're going to see a high of 9 degrees and some sun, and Monday we'll see a high of 11 and up to 5 millimeters of rain in places. I'm Eric and this has been your weekend weather report.
So if the weatherman is right, this snow's not going to last long. I basically only have this afternoon to snowboard, so I better get to work, and fast. It'll be interesting to see how well I ride after having a month off. I'm going to see how many 180s and 360s I can land before the snow gets too wet and soggy to ride, because once that happens, the season's over. Well, I've landed 6 tricks and the snow's really starting to get soft, so I think it's time to take some photos.
So the way this is going to work, I'm going to hold this remote in my hand. When I'm midair, I'm going to press the button and take a photo of myself.
The remote I'm holding is just a wireless shutter remote that can work on any camera. I'm not gonna lie, they're a pretty good substitute for a photographer.
Alright, let's get it. Oh boy! Well, I think that's it for this season.
It's come to a point that the snow's just gotten too wet and soggy to snowboard. Talk about getting lucky though. This storm came out of nowhere, and I'm really glad it did. It let this rather challenging season end on a high note. From the get-go, it never seemed like I could get anything to work out. The weather would never really cooperate, and we spent a lot of time with no snow on the ground. So the fact that I got to snowboard one last time before summer really meant a lot to me. Thanks, Mother Nature.
And please subscribe.